Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching me from. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is You On Media TV. And if this is your first time of seeing me, seeing my face, or seeing my video coming across my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel so that we'll be rocking this, doing everything here together. Okay, and also don't forget to press the notification bell in case anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. And if you have already subscribed to me before, oh my god, thank you. I say thank you, a big thank you to you for always coming to watch my video, for the comments and like and share and all. Oh my god, a big thank you to you guys. I really appreciate you all. Much love to you all. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I used to cut my extension, the attachments that I used to braid my hair, how I used to cut it and draw it out to have a tiny tip. So in case you want to make rasta or any type of braid, so how you can cut it and draw it out. Okay, this is what we are going to be doing today. In my last video, you will see how I achieved this one. Okay, just go and watch it and see how I achieve it. Okay. So let's get back to the business. We are going to be using this blue and black. Okay, so let's get down to the business. So we need scissors and we need comb or brush. You can use brush, you can use comb. Okay, first we are going to cut and open the hair, take it out from the back. So this is how long it is. Very long. Okay, so if you want long one, waist length, you can actually cut it into two, just here like this. Okay, or if you want it in the back, in the middle of your back, you can cut it into three. But today we are going to be cutting this into three. Okay, we are going to be cutting this into three. You just measure it first. You measure one side. Don't know if you guys can see it well. So, and then you take the other side. Okay, like this, and then you cut it, the first one. So we have this. We put it aside. And then the rest one, you cut it into two. And now we have three. 1, 2, 3. So this is now the interesting part. So we take it like this. Just little by little. Can you see that? it. So, and then you use hand to detangle it before you brush it out. Very, very easy. I just put a little bit cream, a little bit Vaseline, you know, to make it smooth and shine. So, tangle it with your hands. So now you can brush it out. You can use like this comb, big comb, or you can actually use brush. Okay. If you want to brush it out, make sure you start from the end. Okay, so it will be very easy to brush. You see it? This is now how the tip look like. You see it? So let me show you the difference. See the one that we have not drawn. See it? And see the one we have drawn. And then it's longer, and you will have a tiny tip after you have used it to braid your hair. Okay. See this one? And see this one. A big difference. Okay? So that's how you cut your hair and draw how you can do it. Okay, because if you just cut it and use it like this, one, it will be short, and secondly, it will not be looking nice in the end, you know. So either you have to use a rubber to hold it so that it's not get loose, or you have to burn it with fire, or you have to tie it. So if you draw them out like this. You don't need to put anything, you don't need to burn it, you don't need to use rubber band, you don't need to tie it. You just have to finish braiding it, and then at the end you put the tip in hot water, then you are good to go. It will stay. Okay, so that's it for this video. I don't want it to be so long. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to this very channel. Okay, subscribe, press the notification bell. Anytime, any day I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Okay, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming. Okay, for the like, share, for watching my video. I appreciate you. Much love to you all. Bye and have a nice day.